Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Polygon in MetaMask. First, open your MetaMask wallet in your browser. Click on the Network drop-down menu, usually labeled Ethereum Mainnet by default. Then, select Add Network to begin the process of manually adding the Polygon network. This initial step is crucial for accessing the Polygon ecosystem and its decentralized applications. Make sure you have your wallet seed phrase backed up securely. Next, you'll need to input the Polygon network details. For the network name, type Polygon Mainnet. The new RPC URL is https://polygonrpc.com. The chain ID is 137. The currency symbol is MATIC. Finally, the Block Explorer URL is https://polygonscan.com. Double-check these details carefully to ensure a successful connection to the Polygon network. Incorrect information will prevent your wallet from functioning correctly. Once all the network details are accurately entered, click the Save button. Your MetaMask wallet will then automatically switch to the newly added Polygon Mainnet. You should see Polygon Mainnet displayed in your network dropdown. Now you are successfully connected to the Polygon network and can interact with its decentralized applications. You can send and receive MATIC and other tokens on this network. To start using the Polygon network, you'll need some MATIC tokens in your wallet for transaction fees. You can acquire MATIC from a cryptocurrency exchange and then withdraw it to your MetaMask Polygon address. Always double-check the recipient address before sending any funds. It's a good practice to send a small test transaction first to ensure everything works correctly before transferring larger amounts. Enjoy exploring the Polygon ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.